Wix versus Squarespace, which one is better for e-commerce? Today we are going to demonstrate the difference between Wix and Squarespace and which one you should go if you have an e-commerce business. So here I have this small table demonstrating the difference between these two. And as you guys can see, if I go to the e-commerce option, as you guys can see, for the Wix, it has simplest option for small to medium businesses, which means you don't have to do any struggle. It have built-in features and you won't struggle. But if you talk about the, Squarespace, it is beginner friendly setup but limited in functionality, which means Squarespace is actually pretty easy and easier than Wix to use, but has some limited functionality. So, if you are looking for the long term, I would suggest you should go for the Wix just because Wix might be a little difficult in the beginning, but at the very end, if your business grows, you will have more functionality and you won't have any limitations. So, in my case, Wix is the option, but it totally depends upon you, whichever you want to go with. So, that's pretty much it. That's what it is. Hope you guys find this video helpful.